There's something magical about Harry Potter, and it's not just for kids. I mean, adults love it too. Maybe it's because we all wish we went to Hogwarts. So what's more magical than creating an adult Harry Potter themed Friendsgiving? The big question is, do you believe in magic?
Oh, hello, fellow witches, wizards, and muggles. My name's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you through everything you need to know to host the ultimate, most epic Harry Potter party of your dreams. So I'm gonna take you through my favorite decor, recipes, games, and outfits to also recreate this magical experience. By the way, if you're new here, welcome. My name's Ashley. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post weekly travel and lifestyle videos on a budget, and we have so much fun on the channel. We'd love to have you in our community. So guys, let's get this party started. Aloha Mora.
So much of what is going to create that kind of magical vibe is bringing those authentic recipes to life. So we're talking about your chocolate frogs and your golden snitches. And of course, you need sorting hat cupcakes. If you want kind of the ultimate fun with these, you also are gonna wanna get a sorting hat, literal hat. This is off of Amazon, but I highly suggest doing all of your baking the night before. It is time for the sorting hat cupcakes. We are just making a simple French vanilla cake mix, and we're going to insert food coloring into each of the cupcakes, and then when people bite into them, obviously they will be sorted into their house. If you are like me, you want to keep it easy peasy, so we've got our French vanilla cake mix. I also have vanilla frosting that's going to go in the center, and all I'm doing is using food coloring that's just going to color each of the houses, and I'm using a nice buttercream and make it kind of golden snitchy on top, so it's going to be a nice buttercream, and then I'm adding these cute golden sprinkles. And you're gonna see my whole sorting hat cupcake display, and you're gonna wanna do this yourself. But let's get to baking because we just have so many things to do. There are a lot of different ways to put the frosting inside your cupcakes, but the easiest I think would be using a pastry bag. So I got a reusable pastry bag with these tips, and then you can also, just to separate all the colors, you could get these 12-inch disposable bags to separate each color and just like insert it in and then just throw them away. All of this stuff was found at my local grocery store. Obviously, starting with Gryffindor. If you were to have guessed, what house am I and what house is Alan's? Leave me a comment in the comments below. Okay, so this is so fun. Take the tip of your piping bag and you just kind of squeeze it into your cupcake, and it takes out a little bit of the cake. Then take your frosting inside your piping bag and fill up the inside of your little sorting hat cupcake. Then you're gonna put that little piece of cake right back on top. This keeps it so you can keep the reveal secret. And just make sure you are dividing out the same amount of cupcakes per house, because obviously you want the ultimate surprise and you don't want an unfair advantage. Topping it off with some buttercream and some festive gold sprinkles. And guys, the sorting hat cupcakes was a must. This was a huge crowd pleaser and got everyone so stoked. Other simple in-theme Harry Potter desserts I'm making that are super, super simple, but I think just gonna elevate the essence of Potter World, of my Hogwarts kind of Christmas vibes, is chocolate frogs. So I got this chocolate frog tin off of Amazon. It was only about $7. I will put the link in my description. And all you need is milk chocolate baking chips. Got these at the grocery store. And then you can just make them like that, but it's more fun and more authentic if you put some Rice Krispies inside. So those are my ingredients. I'm going to heat these on the stove just to make sure they're nice. And also you can use that same chocolate, get some kind of big rods and make chocolate wands. So 2 in 1. Is it just me, or is that sound of the chips just so satisfying? And it's okay if it's messy because it's just gonna pop out of the mold anyway. Fill up your entire frog mold with some chocolate, but leave a little bit of room on top. So we're gonna put in some Rice Krispies, and then we're gonna put the chocolate back on top of it. You're gonna put it in the refrigerator for at least 20 minutes to cool.
Frozen chocolate frogs. Oh my God, they're so cute.
Like, break this extra junk.
take a spatula and paint on your little pretzels with the milk chocolate. Pro tip, put this on parchment paper and separate them or else they will stick together. Not that I did that. And then top it off with some sprinkles. Makes it extra magical.
Good morning, guys. It is party day. This is literally my Super Bowl. I cannot wait. Definitely pro tip, make all of your food the day before. That's including your desserts. It takes kind of a bit of a time. Now, this is the easiest things you can make. The sorting hat cupcakes, the chocolate wands, the chocolate frogs. I'm so happy with how it turned out, but I personally would do it the day before or the night before because it just alleviates so much stress. So my goal is to turn our little 2-bedroom apartment into the Great Hall. So we want that kind of long table effect. So we're picking up tables and chairs right now. When it comes to decorations, I cannot wait for you guys to see our decorations. You are going to flip, and I have all the links for you. But first, let's go get our tables. Alan, you got to be the first one to try the sorting hat cupcakes. Did you love it?
They were delicious and it was effective. You got to see your color.
Effective
your
and
house.
fun?
It was cute.
It was so cute. He's like, darn, I have to try cupcakes. Duh.
Make me do this.
By the way, I was just like, Alan, we're hosting a Harry Potter party. He's like, okay, let's go.
Where's your baby? Bear, are you ready for Harry Potter party? Yes, yes, yes.
All right, so we got the tables from my brother and sister's house. We got some chairs at Target. And now the goal is to transform our little sitting area into the Great Hall. Let's go. So this is what I'm thinking. Our couch and our coffee table. I want to move our coffee table into the other room. And then we're going to take those 2 long tables and place them right here. And it's going to kind of give that Great Hall effect. Right here, I want to put our Christmas tree. So it's kind of like giving Hogwarts Christmas time. And then our kitchen table, we pushed against the wall, and this is going to be where all of the food is. And we still have to figure out where the drinks are going, but first, let's set up our Great Hall.
Are you going to have all kinds of guests today? You're not going to know what to do with yourself.
He's like, I just want to hold daddy. What about me?
Look at these amazing tablecloths I got off Amazon. It's literally Hogwarts. Do you love it, Alan?
Sure.
Alan loves all my purchases. He goes, it's your money.
Let the decorating begin. All right, guys, so I basically have 2 friends that are pretty much witches. Shout out to Madison and Amelia. And they gave me so many fun decorations. So that's definitely one of my suggestions. Find yourself some friends
Who have awesome decorations. Alan, we have these like lanterns that we could put places. We have these sick potions bottles. These awesome bottles. She just used them with like wax. We have some candles. I kind of just look at all these fun labels. These labels you could find on Amazon as well. So we have so many fun labels to use. Black spider. I'm freaking loving this. Oh my god.
old mirror. This pseudo bookcase I was obsessed with. This was like 10 bucks on Amazon. Totally transformed the room. And of course our little tree.
All right, guys, so clearly you cannot have a Harry Potter party without your floating candles, especially above your Great Hall table. The problem is we got these on Amazon, and honestly, it just seems a little bit difficult, but we are determined, right, Alan? She is determined.
Which makes me have to be determined.
We are doing this. Okay, so you have to string them through. Okay, where are the things?
They're all on the candles.
We just have to. Am I supposed to be doing anything in between the flames? Or just...
Not gonna lie, this was so tedious. It took so long, but we made it happen. And I just want to give a little shout out to Alan because he was just the best helper in this. Like, I could not have made my magical dream come true without him. Thank you, Alan. Serious question, are you ready to make the most magical tablescape of my dreams? Okay, so I got those plates at Marshall's. They said made of magic, perfect, with some gold cutlery. And then I got some gold candle holders and gold candlesticks that we of course lit for our Great Hall dinner. And then in the middle, you'll see some like pages out of books. And I thought that was a cool, authentic touch. I saw it on TikTok. I burned the edges, so it just created an extra magical look. And then, look, everyone gets an owl.
If you want to give your guests a little take-home goodie, one of my favorite things and a huge guest favorite was these little owl ornaments. They are just so cute, and they're also good for if people aren't like super into Harry Potter, but everyone was so blown away by this. This was a package off Amazon. I will definitely put a link in the comments in the description below because it was just so cute. Everyone got their own personal owl, and I was like, how else are you gonna be invited next year? You obviously need an owl. It is 4:17 and guests come at 6 p.m. so we are really down to the wire. Right now I am making our golden snitches, and I'm gonna just place these all around. You literally just take truffles, and I got these little wings off Amazon, and it comes with a little sticky thing, so you just kind of stick them on, and then we have to make our cocktails.
Cocktails, we're making butterbeer and polyjuice potion. For butterbeer, you want 6 ounces of cream soda, an ounce of vanilla vodka, an ounce of butterscotch schnapps, and a 1/4 teaspoon of butter extract. Then for on top, honestly, just use whipped cream. It's easier and more fun.
Does it taste good?
I don't know if I've ever had butterbeer, so I don't know what it's supposed to taste like.
I have made butterbeer, but it was when I was a child, so there was no alcohol. This is freaking amazing! Oh my god, I'm so happy! This tastes so good! And it doesn't even taste like alcohol, which is dangerous, but also amazing.
For polyjuice potion, use lime sherbet, vodka, lemon lime soda, bitters, and for bonus, dry ice. We couldn't find any, but next year I'm determined.
You need to transform your bathroom into the Chamber of Secrets. This is MAC red lipstick. Like, what am I using? Why? I'm wasting lipstick, Lauren. Okay. So for outfits, there's a ton online, but guys, believe me when I tell you I've gone through absolutely every one of them. You want an outfit that's gonna make you feel good, but also obviously give those Hogwarts Harry Potter vibes. So here's one outfit for women. This is actually 2 outfits combined on Amazon. I love this because it's just very lightweight and super cute. This is all one piece, and then you have the kind of tie on top, and I paired it with these black stockings. And then I got this robe also on Amazon, and it comes with a scarf, and I of course had to pair it with my elder wand that is from Universal. Another option that's super affordable and also office friendly is literally just wearing what I have Lauren in today, and that is getting a Harry Potter scarf that is in your house colors. This is also on Amazon, and a tie. You're gonna pair that with a white button down and a gray type of blazer. You could also choose black, but essentially this is only gonna be like probably 20 bucks total for your outfit, and it looks really great and probably even more authentic. For the male outfits, you can also choose your house colors, and Alan is rocking the Hufflepuff house, of course, and we got his cloak and his sweater off of Amazon too, and then we just added the scarf on top, and he is just a walking, breathing Hufflepuff. Right, Alan?
Mm-hmm. That's right.
That's right.
Are you ready to party? Oh my gosh, this truly was the most magical Harry Potter party of my dreams. I thought the minute you walked in, it looked so magical with the floating candles, the tablescape, and then we had floating Hogwarts letters when they were trying to get that letter to Harry. That was so cool as well. The drinks and cocktails were a hit, and I love the idea of sitting down to this because it just made it more fun and great hall-like. Of course, the Honeydukes area, we just made little cards that kind of labeled everything with those names. It just made it more authentic. Everyone was obsessed with the Sorting Hat cupcakes. Stick around in just a minute for that. I love the potions table. Shout out to Madison and Amelia for those decorations. And of course those owls. I mean, they just took the cake. I love them so much. And lighting real candles for your tablescape, highly recommend. After we were all done eating and drinking, we played some Harry Potter trivia, and who knew my friends were such Potterheads. I didn't get to brag about my favorite item, a Patronus, aka a lit up reindeer. A lit up reindeer inside though, magical.
Amelia!
This is literally what I wear all the time. So like, I can't like, this is literally like, I mean, I wouldn't wear this to work, but like, kind of. I would.
That's a terrible. I don't think I know it.
You can't see it. Nice try though. We tested it.
Is it like deep in there? What is that? Oh,
You got a bite bigger.
you got
A bite.
You got
Gryffindor.
I told you Gryffindor.
Which one is that?
Gryffindor.
Entree.
You got it?
What is it? It's Slytherin.
And what is your favorite Harry Potter character?
Probably Hermione, if I had to guess. What about you?
Why?
Why do I like her? I just like Emma Watson, and I feel like in any role, she's good.
I like her too.
Yeah.
My favorite is Harry because he's Harry.
Of course, main character.
Main character energy.
Yeah, main character energy.
Thank you guys so much for coming to our Harry Potter Friendsgiving. I hope so badly you host your own and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Of course, if you have any questions, definitely let me know as well. And if you haven't already, I think there's like 90% of you guys that haven't hit that subscribe button. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next week. Love you guys. Ciao.